Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do the foundation single crochet. It's an alternative to the traditional crochet foundation where you would chain your XYZ number of stitches and then turn and do whatever stitch you're doing. So grab some yarn and a hook and let's get started. So traditionally with single crochet, and I'm going to try to do this the best I can. I'm sorry guys, I've not gotten a new tripod yet, so I am going to try to do this with my desktop one. And sometimes it's not the easiest to do. So traditionally with your foundation chain, like I said, you would chain however many stitches you needed for whatever you're working on. And then you would turn and work back the other direction. With the foundation single crochet, you are essentially creating your first row and your foundation chain. So it's a pretty neat technique. So to get started, you'll make your slip knot. Then you're going to chain 2. So you'll always start with chain 2. And now that you have your 2 chains, you're going to do this. You're going to insert your hook into that first chain. So not this one, but the next one. And draw up a loop. So you'll have 2 chains on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through just this first chain. And by doing that, you're creating your first row or your foundation chain. And now we have 2. So you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. And now the first couple stitches can be a little fiddly, but I'll try to do my best here to show you. So I did that. And now this bar that runs here, I'm going to insert my hook just into that bar from front to back. I'm going to yarn over and pull through. So with 2 loops on my hook, again, you're just going to yarn over and pull through 1. Now there's still 2 on your hook. That's when you're going to yarn over and pull through both. So there we've created, if you turn it, you can see our V's. So that's 2 stitches. Again, we're going to go into this bar that runs parallel kind of to the back of it. So insert your hook under that loop, draw up a loop and pull through with 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1. Now you can yarn over and pull through to finish your single crochet. And that's all there is to it, guys, to the foundation single crochet. I'll do a few more here so you can see a little bit better. So under this bar, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1. Now you can yarn over and pull through both. And I haven't in the past used this very much, but the more I've used it recently, the more I like doing it this way. And that's it, guys. That's how you do the foundation single crochet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on my social media as boho_stitchery. You can find me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Thanks. I'll see you guys next week.